Sleep apnea isn't just snoring. New research shows it might be destroying your muscles. Scientists at Ben Gurion University studied CT scans and found something alarming. People with sleep apnea had significantly lower muscle quality. The repeated oxygen drops during sleep are literally breaking down your skeletal muscle. This leads to fractures, weakness, and even loss of independence. 30% of adults have this condition. If you snore heavily or feel constantly tired, get screened. Your muscles depend on it.